Today I'm going to be going over AMC and GME stock and why I believe this is the dip before the rip. But before I do get into why I believe that, make sure to go down and subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, because I do update you guys on AMC and GameStop stock every single day. So today AMC closed down 6% at $5.10. We did hit a low of $5.03, but we did not break out below $5, and I don't think it is going to happen. None of this is financial advice though, and I'm not telling anyone to buy, sell, or hold. Me personally, I'm still holding my $6 calls, so I'm down about 30% right now on that, but I did triple down Ponky style on some GameStop calls. I did put in over $2,500 in $30 calls for GameStop expiring on August 16th. I do believe that this is just the dip before a rip, and we're going to see a huge V form, and then it's going to break out past $30. We just saw GameStop hit a high of $29.99, and I truly do believe this is the dip before the frickin' rip. This is the last call. If we take a look at AMC, we have another bullish butterfly forming on the daily chart. So back here, we did get this huge bullish butterfly, and then it came all the way to like $5.70 from a low of $4.30. So that was a pretty good gain right there. And up here, it does look like we have a smaller bullish butterfly forming on AMC stock. That's why I'm still holding my calls. I do believe AMC is about to gap up, so I'm still holding everything on AMC and GameStop as well. I did see this as an opportunity, and I put in a lot of money in $30 calls expiring pretty soon on August 16th. So next month, I do believe though GameStop is about to have a freaking crazy move. Now obviously I could lose everything on the calls that I bought today, but it is a risk I'm willing to take because this can easily go past $30. Another stock that I am looking at right now is Mara. If this does dip below $20, I will definitely load into some calls, but then again, this could be the bottom as well. It's extremely volatile. Over 44 million shares of Mara traded today, but I feel like it can dip a little more to $20. If that does happen, I'll definitely load up into some calls here. But right now, the main plays to look at, in my opinion, is GameStop and AMC. Literally, this is the second bullish butterfly we're getting on AMC, and I wouldn't be surprised if this time it breaks out past $7. But for GameStop in the morning, we did hit a high of $28.38. It crashed all the way to $25.61. Right at market close is when I loaded up on GameStop calls, because I do believe that this is just a fake out and we will see GameStop continue to rise. It was on this bull trend for almost 8 days in a row, and really everything is looking bullish on GameStop. So I did make this post on X. If you haven't followed me on Twitter, make sure to go follow me there. I do post there every single day. My username is Mikey's_money, and I said green, 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 green. Notice something? So if we take a look at GameStop stock, everything is green the past week, the past month, the past 3 months, the past year, the past 5 years, and then freaking if you zoom out all the way, it's still green. I mean, everything is green for GameStop stock, and I believe when Roaring Kitty comes back and if he shows that he still has GameStop, this will easily shoot up 100%. That's why I put so much money into calls, because before every rip, there is a major dip. So if this is a fake out, we will see GameStop break $30 possibly tomorrow, but more than likely sometime next week. And if we take a look at what Ryan Cohen just tweeted yesterday, it's all over the news that Ryan Cohen said Trump 665 times. That's pretty strange. I mean, why that number 665? We all know that the number that comes after that is 666. So I don't know what the frick Ryan Cohen is trying to say. But if we take a look at Donald Trump's stock, it is running once again. It did hit a low of around $36. After hours right now, it's trading at $38. So that's a pretty good gain if you would have bought some calls down there. But look at all these stocks. I mean, Mara is an opportunity. Lucid, all I see is an opportunity right there. This can easily fly back to $4. These stocks are being traded like freaking crazy, and there's short squeezes everywhere. So I definitely will keep you guys updated on other plays that I make on X, so make sure to go follow me there. I did make this post as well. I said cup and handle forming on GameStop. This could be the dip before the rip. I just put 3,000 into GME calls, and I'm still holding my AMC $6 calls and all my shares. So GameStop, hit that low of $25.61, and it bounced right back up to $26. It's trading over $26 right now after hours, and I wouldn't be surprised if Roaring Kitty does come back and send this parabolic any freaking day now. This guy said manipulation at its finest. Look at what happens at the market close. So this guy was recording it right when the market closed. GameStop just went to $27 real quick, boom, 1 second, then right back down. So this is one of the reasons I did purchase GameStop. It's been in this accumulation phase at around $25, and once this thing does go past $30, we could literally see it teleport to $40, and after that there's no saying how high it can go. As well as AMC. So this guy said it's crazy that AMC, the biggest theater chain that is breaking attendance and F&B records left and right, versus one company that AMC partners with and the other that is 118% institutionally owned. Guess who's down and who's not? So this is AMC compared to IMAX today, and also compared to Cinemark. So Cinemark was up almost 5% today, while AMC was down over 5%, which is freaking crazy to see. It's obvious that AMC is just following GameStop, and both of these freaking companies are shorted like crazy. That's why, in my opinion, right now, when all these short squeezes are happening, it is worth the risk to buy call options. Now again, it is extremely risky. You could lose every freaking dime within a couple seconds, so it's basically a gamble at this point. But I did gamble basically everything I have into GameStop calls today, and I am still holding all the AMC. I did make this post today as well. I said, when in doubt, zoom out. This is definitely an opportunity. So AMC is still up over 100% from its all-time lows, and GameStop is still up over 150% from its lows. So it is just looking extremely bullish for both of these stocks, and I wouldn't be surprised if another explosion happens any freaking day now. And if you do want to copy your own To The Moon sunglasses, the website is now live. It's mikeysmoney.com. This is the first merch drop ever on this channel, so if you want to cop some To The Moon sunglasses and support me, you could go ahead and just look up mikeysmoney.com, or you could look in the description and you'll find the link there as well. These are some badass To The Moon sunglasses that I'm definitely going to be wearing when AMC and GME are going freaking parabolic. But that's going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did make it to the end of the video and you haven't subscribed yet, what the heck are you guys doing? Make sure to go down and subscribe. Tomorrow is going to be insane. I did show you guys the bullish butterfly forming on AMC on the daily chart, so I would not be surprised if this is just a fake out and it breaks back to the upside, AMC and GameStop stock. That is my opinion, though I could be totally wrong, just my analysis on the two stocks. So I did lose about 30% in one freaking day from green to red on AMC today, and as soon as I saw that, I tripled down on GameStop calls so I could diversify a little bit on the call options. But now I do have a good amount of GameStop calls loaded in at around $26, so I'm gonna just let that ride. But I will keep you guys updated on what happens with AMC and GameStop, so make sure to stay tuned on my channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. As y'all know, I'm buying the dip.
Here we go, come on, push it, buying the dip, here we go, come on.